Listen and practice. Essential everyday English conversation.
Hello. Good morning.
Hi there. Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How about you?
What's your name?
My name is Petra.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Pleased to meet you.
Likewise.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
Pardon me.
No problem.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
May I ask a question?
Yes, you can ask me.
How old are you?
I am 24 years old.
What's your job?
I work as a graphic designer.
Where do you live?
I live in New York City.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sibling.
What do you like to eat for breakfast?
I usually have cereal and milk.
What's your favorite color?
I like pink and green.
What day is it today?
Today is Friday.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
How's your job going?
It's going well.
What are you studying?
I'm studying biology.
Do you have a meeting today?
Yes, I have a meeting at 2 p.m.
Where are you going?
I'm off to work.
Have a great day.
You too. Have a fantastic day.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
What time is it?
It's 8 p.m.
When do you wake up?
I woke up at 6 o'clock.
Are you okay?
I'm fine, thanks.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Which month is your birthday in?
My birthday is in April.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is English.
Where do you like to shop for clothes?
I usually shop at the mall.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play volleyball.
What's your favorite movie?
I love Wonder Woman.
Have you been on a vacation recently?
Yes, I went to the beach last month.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm going to visit my grandparents.
How do you stay healthy?
I eat lots of fruits and vegetables.
Can you describe your best friend?
He has black hair and brown eyes.
What do you need to buy at the grocery store?
I need to buy milk and bread.
Why are you here today?
I have a cold.
Do you want to go to the movies on Saturday?
Yes, that sounds like fun.
When does the movie start?
It starts at 6 p.m.
Which season do you like the most?
I like the monsoon because I love to drench in rain.
What do you usually do on New Year's Eve?
I watch fireworks with my friends.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy writing poems.
How was your day?
It was good, thanks.
Are you tired?
Yes, I'm a little tired.
What's the weather like today?
It's cloudy.
What are you doing this weekend?
I've got a family gathering on Saturday.
Do you want to hang out?
Let's go for a coffee.
When are you free?
I'm usually free in the evenings after 6 p.m.
What time works for you?
I'm available on Saturday.
Would you like to join us for dinner tonight?
I can't. I have plans.
How about dinner?
Sounds good.
Take care.
You too.
What do you like to do for fun?
I enjoy reading.
Do you like music?
I love playing music.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
Do you like to watch movies?
I'm a big fan of movies.
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Sure, try Central Restaurante.
Do you have any hobbies?
I'm into photography.
Have you been to South Korea?
Yes, I visited South Korea.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
Are you a sports enthusiast?
Yes, I'm a sports enthusiast.
Do you like cooking?
I enjoy cooking.
Let's do something fun.
Sure, let's do it.
Do you like this?
I love this.
What do you think of this?
It's amazing.
Do you like spicy food?
I'm not a fan of spicy food.
Do you like gardening?
I really enjoy gardening.
What's your dislike?
I can't stand traffic.
Do you like rainy days?
I don't like rainy days.
What's your favorite sweet?
Chocolate is my favorite.
Do you like to watch horror movies?
I'm not keen on horror movies.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I prefer tea to coffee.
Do you like cats or dogs?
I'm crazy about cats.
How much does this cost?
It's $100.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, you can pay with a credit card.
Do you have this in another size?
Sorry, we're out of stock.
Can I try this on?
Yes, you can.
Where's the fitting room?
The fitting room is over there.
Are you going to buy this dress?
Yes, I'll take it.
Is there a sale?
Yes, there's a sale today.
Do you have it in my size?
Yes, we've.
Are you looking for something specific?
I'm just browsing.
Can I return this?
Yes, you can.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept credit cards.
Can I get a receipt?
Sure, here it is.
Can I see the menu, please?
Yes, here it is.
What's the daily special?
I'll have a veg salad.
Can I get it spicy?
Yes, sure.
May I have the check, please?
Here's your receipt.
How's the service?
The service was excellent.
Do you have a table for two?
Yes, right this way.
Enjoy your meal.
You too.
How many people will be dining with you?
I'd like a table for two.
What's today's special?
Today's special is spicy chicken.
What do you like to order?
I'll have the chicken, please.
Do you have vegetarian options?
Yes, we vegetarian options.
What would you like to order?
I'd like to order dessert.
What did you think of the meal?
Everything was delicious.
I'll pay the bill.
It's my treat.
Keep the change.
Thank you so much for the tips.
Is it far from here?
It's about 5 miles.
Can you recommend a good hotel?
The nearest one is the Plaza Hotel.
Where's the nearest restroom?
It's down the hall on the left.
How much is a one-way ticket?
It's $350 for a one-way ticket.
How are you feeling today?
I'm not feeling well.
Do you have a cold too?
Yes, I might have a cold.
Can I make an appointment?
The doctor is available at 10 a.m.
Please fill out this form.
Yeah. I'll fill out this form.
Is there a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, it's just around the corner.
Get well soon.
Thanks.
If there's any emergency, call 911.
Okay, I'll call if needed.
I need help.
Are you okay?
Please hurry.
An ambulance is on the way. Stay calm.
What happened?
My bag was stolen.
How's your family?
They're doing well, thanks.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have 2 kids.
Are you close to your siblings?
Yes, we're very close.
When did you get married?
We got married in 2020.
What's your partner's name?
My partner's name is Sam.
What's most important to you?
My family is very important to me. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!